Alright, we're back with another full day eating video. It is a weekend for us, so we have taken our leftovers from last night's meal, which would be the video that I uploaded previous to this one, and turned it into breakfast. What we do on the weekends sometimes, if we have leftovers, we add potatoes and guac and call it breakfast. So this was our 4th of July burger. Added potatoes, a yogurt sauce to it, some guac. You'll see the overshot view right now. And call it breakfast, which is a perfect high protein quality food breakfast. Absolutely amazing and delicious. And I'll show you the supplements I'm going to take afterwards. Boom, as always. Organics Nature, black seed oil, relatively new. Irish sea moss, absolute staple. Not going to give you the benefits of these. You're going to look it up yourself. I have faith in you. Thorn, magnesium, AM supplement. Well, multivitamin, I should say. Thorn is another third-party tested supplement company that is something I truly believe in. Don't buy those cheap supplements. Get the quality stuff that's actually real. A lot of those supplements on the market are not even what they claim to be. Those two companies are, as well as this last thing here, Alpha Brain by Onnit. The famous Joe Rogan talks about this. It's a nootropic. It's supposed to make you dialed. Could be a placebo effect. Do I think it works? Sure. That's what we're having for breakfast. We'll see you here for meal number 2. I'm going to go enjoy this and enjoy our day off. Not going to keep you up all day. We'll see you in a moment. Bow! Post-gym. Give you a little body image view since all you fuckboys so concerned about that. Alright, for dinner we're having Kung Pao chickpeas, which you're going to see an overview shot of. Missy Christie is going to go ahead and let us know what is in our Kung Pao chickpeas.
Well, chickpeas, and then we have some bell peppers, some green onion, garlic, ginger, and then the sauce is, let's see, soy sauce, rice vinegar, rice wine vinegar, sriracha, maple syrup, maybe a couple other things. It's a pretty simple one, made with dried chickpeas, actually.
Like she said, pretty simple, super doable. In the Instant Pot.
Yep.
Is this a cookbook?
No, sir.
Wow, so it's a free recipe you're going to get in the description. Once again, buying an Instant Pot is going to be a godsend for you. Throw stuff in the Instant Pot, press a couple buttons, boop, 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 boop. Go to the gym like you should be doing. Come back, cooked meal is ready for you. Scarf down on it. There's no excuses here in 2024. Imagine back in the day how hard it was to get a good meal. Quit bitching. You can put some sacrifice in. Whip up a beautiful meal for yourself. Gonna close it out with some PM vitamins and magnesium. One thing I didn't show earlier before that gym, I did have some Thorn electrolytes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Why do you take electrolytes? Can't you just eat salt? Yeah, you can just eat salt. But guess what? I needed a little so I can go to the gym and go demon mode, hit some legs. We're closing it out here. As Chrissy laughs at me because
I'm flexing and yeah, I did legs.
I'm flexing and I did legs. So imagine the pump that I got up top here, but I hit legs. You know what? I'm about to show these fuckboys. Oh, the microphone covered my dick. Oh yeah! Yeah, we're going crazy on them. But we're closing it out here. We will see you tomorrow for another full day eating video. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, do all that shit. If you're rocking with me, what's up?
One of these days you're going to knock the food off the table with all your hand movements.
So hit the subscribe button so that you can see me one day knock the food off the table. Good thing we got like 50 bowls ready for me because you think I'm going to eat one bowl? Hell no, I'm going to eat like 30 bowls. We'll see you tomorrow.